Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today we're working on a 2008 Honda CR-V. The torque mount has went out on this car, so we're going to replace that. It's on the lower side behind the engine. So the three main symptoms that you want to look for whenever you think you have a bad motor mount is heavy vibration, which we do in this car, impact noises such as a slam or a clunk, and then engine movement. You will see that thing really move. It'll move some normally in most cars. It's made to do that, but it shouldn't move excessively. So now I'll take you under the car and show you what it's like. So if you come under your car, you look right here, here's your torque mount. You got 2 bolts right there, and it goes up into there. And you got 1 more bolt right there. It's pretty easy to change. And let me show you what it does. Okay, now that we have you up top, watch and see how much this motor moves. Okay, so now I'll take you inside and show you what it feels like on the inside. It feels like your whole motor is just falling out. This one's so bad. Also, you want to check all of your motor mounts. I've checked the transmission mount that's over in this area. The engine mount's right over here. Okay, time to show you what it's like on the inside. So we'll go ahead and turn it on, start it up. Now, if you put it in reverse, it doesn't put too much torque on the engine, so it's not making that clunk and it's not vibrating. It's doing really good. If we put it in drive and give it a little gas, now everything's shaking in the car. That's all I feel is a ton of vibration right now. If we put it back in reverse, it'll go back down. Put it back in drive. The first thing you want to do is jack up the vehicle and put it on jack stands. Before you do anything, you want to push your emergency brake down all the way and chalk off the back wheels with a piece of wood or something. That way it don't roll back. You don't want that happening while you're underneath the car. It will kill you. Okay, once you lifted both sides and put it on jack stands, we're going to go right underneath the car. So go straight down through the middle. If you look up here where your oil filter is, it's right beside your oil filter. You got 2 17mm bolts right here and here. And you got a 19mm right there. Okay, so we'll take out these 2 17mm. Okay, now we gotta switch to a 19mm for this last one. Now all you gotta do is slide it right out. So if we look here, after we got it out, the inside's all tore and ripped. Now it's got a big rip through the top. This torque mount is shot and needs to be replaced. So we'll go get the parts and I'll show you what it's like afterwards. Okay, if we compare parts, okay, now we're just going to stick it back up in here. Get it all lined up, just get them started. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is get these bottom ones started first. Now let's get this long one started. And the easiest way to get this started is take just a little pry bar or something to push the motor mount. There you go. Once you get it started, get a few turns on it, and we're going to zip it down with the impact. We'll zip these down. Okay, now we're going to start it up and see the difference. Okay, so now we'll do a before and after of the engine. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.